Welcome to this video where we break down everything you need to know about travel insurance policies in the simplest way possible. If you're traveling soon and feeling confused by all the insurance jargon, don't worry. We're here to explain it step by step. First, let's discuss what travel insurance actually covers. When you buy a travel insurance policy, it typically protects you in case of trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost luggage, or other unexpected events during your travels. However, it's important to check the specific details of the coverage so you know exactly what's included. Some policies may offer extra coverage, such as for adventure sports or high-risk activities, so always read the fine print carefully. Now, if you want to get travel insurance quickly and conveniently, I recommend using the online service from ECTA Traveling. It's super easy to navigate, and you can compare different insurance plans to find the one that suits your needs best. Plus, the platform allows you to secure insurance in just a few clicks. You can follow the link in the description below to get insurance online and start exploring your options. Point one key aspect of travel insurance is understanding the exclusions. These are the situations or claims that won't be covered. For example, some policies may not cover pre-existing medical conditions, or they may exclude certain high-risk activities. Always double-check these details before making a purchase, so that you won't run into surprises later. It's also worth noting that travel insurance can vary depending on the length of your trip and the country you're visiting. You'll want to make sure the policy covers all destinations you plan to visit, especially if you're going to multiple countries. The best part about using ECTA Traveling is that it helps you compare different policies, so you can easily choose what works best for your trip. For medical emergencies, most travel insurance policies cover costs related to hospitalization, doctor visits, and sometimes even medical evacuation if you need to return home. But again, be sure to verify the coverage limits to ensure they meet your needs. The last thing you want during your travels is to realize that your policy doesn't cover enough of the medical expenses. Getting travel insurance online has never been easier, thanks to services like ECTA Traveling. It saves you time, and you can choose the best plan without having to visit an insurance office. Plus, the process is transparent, and you can review everything before making a final decision. Make sure you follow the link in the description and secure your travel insurance today. Remember, buying travel insurance is not just a formality. It's a crucial part of travel planning that can protect you from unexpected issues. If you're unsure which policy to choose, start with the basics. Does it cover trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost luggage, and emergency evacuations? Once you understand these essentials, you'll feel more confident choosing a policy that fits your needs. Don't forget to check the pricing and compare plans on ECTA Traveling. By doing this, you'll make sure you're getting the best value for your money while ensuring your peace of mind during your trip. Finally, if this video has helped you better understand how to get travel insurance, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up.